Rollins. Dean Ambrose. The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match and is for the Intercontinental Championship.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
And a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone if there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
Guys, he's been waiting a very long time for this match here tonight.
Yes, he has, but he's going to be waiting even longer for another title opportunity if he's not successful here tonight. So for his sake, I hope he's ready.
Of course, the title is on the line in this one, guys.
And don't be surprised if history is made here tonight. I know the champ has looked good as of late, but I'd say the opposition has looked just as good, if not better.
And Byron, you simply cannot deny the magnitude of this match right here.
Well, the interest level always seems to kick up a notch whenever the title's on the line. But tonight, given who the champ is defending against, seems to come with even more intrigue.
Introducing the challenger from Davenport, Iowa, weighing in at 217 pounds, Seth Rollins. Introducing the champion from Cincinnati, Ohio, weighing in at 225 pounds, he is the Intercontinental Champion, Dean Ambrose.
Here we go, folks. It's go time.
And guys, this is where we find out who the better competitor truly is.
And a powerful slam down onto the back. As the action continues, let's discuss Seth Rollins briefly. What can we expect from the challenger?
Well, there's a reason he's the challenger. If he was any good, he'd be the champ already.
I gotta agree with you, and I know that. Win or lose, he's a superstar we're going to hear a lot from.
Seth Rollins is one of the most complete competitors you'll find in sports entertainment. The WWE Universe knows that when Seth has a goal in sight, the man is unstoppable.
Oh, how the heck do you get up from that?
Back now inside the ring.
He lands the overhand. Throughout his career, Seth Rollins has shown he can do anything in the ring. Rollins has promised to continue his assault on WWE until he gets what he wants.
Seth Rollins has reached an all-time level of success in a brief period of time. Rollins can do it all in there. And remember, the architect always has a plan.
He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes. Uh-oh, what is Dean Ambrose going to do here?
Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes.
Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
Back in the ring again. His strikes have a little extra on them tonight. He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes. Inside the ring now. Man, Seth Rollins, what offense!
Dazzling move right there. Looking to catch him off guard. Looking to steal one there, perhaps.
What a kick out.
Down goes the referee.
There was just no getting out of the way on that one.
Right on the bridge of the nose.
An early pin attempt. Seth Rollins with a quick kick out.
That would have been a shocker.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
And he connects with the missile drop kick.
Looking for the quick pin. An easy kick out from Rollins.
Tried for it early.
Make no mistake about it, Seth Rollins is in trouble here.
Unleashes the sleeper, trying to put this match to bed.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
Call a super kick!
Can he end it here?
This might be it.
Well, I thought he had to pin for sure.
I don't think his opponent was expecting that.
He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
Big miss for him there.
And he'll likely pay for it here.
Got the reversal.
What a knee strike from the Kingslayer. Now that...
And he goes for the pin. And the champ kicks out.
He's got some more fight in him, guys.
He's going for it all. Whoa! Shoulders down. Championship on the line. Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael.
Taking him a while to get up here.
I don't think he has anything left, Michael.
Shoulders down, this could be it. He got it. No, kick out at 2.
There is no quit in this man tonight. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Call a super kick.
Don't be surprised if we crown a new champ here.
A clubbing blow called. That should end it.
Amazing elevation on that drop kick.
If this superstar can just land the finisher here, this match is all but over.
I think we're at the point in this match where the finisher could be used at any moment here.
Seth Rollins gets out of trouble, and quickly.
Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
Here's Dean Ambrose in position now. The lunatic fringe has him right where he wants him.
Bang! Dirty deeds. What a comeback.
Wow, Ambrose is a man that simply will not quit.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me.
Look at this.
The battle wounds are visible on these superstars right now as this Hell in a Cell match somehow continues.
And it's Dean Ambrose able to break free.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Incoming.
When you look inside that cell and see all this carnage, you can't help but wonder just how much more of this these superstars can take.
Inverted DDT plants him. This might be the end of the road for him, Byron.
Well, if he can't get back to his feet, you're absolutely right. Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
Second time we're seeing this here. He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here.
This has been a battle. Goes to the Shining Wizard, leaving the opponent damn near done.
He is
quickly into the cover with the title on the line. An impressive strike there. Will this be it? 2. Seth Rollins is looking to fly. Look out! Seth Rollins caught a super kick!
I don't like Ambrose's chances here at all.
Slay the King. The title is slipping away here.
Just making his presence felt there. Hits him with a headbutt.
Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
He delivers a crushing neck breaker. He might just be out, guys.
Incredible! This should do it right there. 2!
Perfect plex.
There's no way the champ can lose now. There may be no coming back from that slam, Cole.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Look at this. Oh, this is dangerous right here.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum.
Incredible!
Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when you're down.
Oh, there it is!
Dirty deeds.
Here's the pin. Title on the line. 2!
This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on dream.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
Still trying to get back to his feet here.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
Dean Ambrose giving him a piece of his mind. Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
What a knee strike from the Kingslayer. Warm up the...
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
And Byron, he's still down after that one.
Yeah, that did some big-time damage, Michael.
Swing and a miss.
That was strike 1, 2, and 3.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. 2! And once again, we see a return to the specific maneuver. Hey, whatever works. He's simply reminding him that he's here.
Oh, boy.
There's the cover. Can he do it? 2!
The unfortunate reality is he might not get up.
Which wouldn't shock me one bit. Talk about a beating he's taken here tonight.
Whoa!
He slams him down with authority.
You can just see it in his eyes. Ambrose is psychotic.
Now we have Dean Ambrose on the attack.
He misses there.
You just can't miss by that much, Cole.
He is a one-man gang in there.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher. I understand Dean Ambrose's psychological tactics. That doesn't mean I like them.
Perfect plex.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will. The force of that impact should put an end to this match right here.
He knows he's in trouble.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Seth Rollins finds a way out. This could do it. 2! Open the history books. We've got a new champion.
Here's your winner and the new Intercontinental Champion, Seth Rollins.
Put a check in the win column for Seth Rollins.
Wow, when you pick up a pinfall victory over somebody like that, you've done something right.
And guys, that's exactly the type of action viewers come to expect here at Hell in a Cell.